Hi friends, it's Wendy with H2O Bungalow. I'm so happy you're here today. I have a completely different kind of video to share with you. I'm going to share with you the Mill, one of our newest properties. It's in a complete before state. It's going to become one of our new properties in the North House Lodge, which is our boutique guest house rental business up here at Okemo Ski Mountain in Ludlow, Vermont. Okay, so you'll get to see what this property looks like today. Just like the day I walked in, keep in mind they come furnished. So the way it is now is what I've got to work with. I've got 4 months to get this renovation done and ready to go for our first guests in the fall. Okay, so my big idea for this room is a little more dramatic than some of the other work I'm going to be doing. So I'm going to be taking out this closet here. We're going to take out the sheetrock wall all the way to the ceiling, which is a 10-foot ceiling. We will be pulling out the side wall, so I will get an additional 2.5 feet into this room. This is going to become an open mudroom. So when people enter from the front door, they'll be able to sit down, take off their boots, put on their boots if they're leaving, hang their coats. There's going to be a ski rack right here so they can hang their skis when they come in from skiing. It'll be tiled, so it doesn't matter what time of the year they're coming in. When they're tromping in with wet boots or muddy boots during mud season, the tile will be fine. The rest of the house will be done in a knotty cypress hardwood floor. So this is the master bedroom. I really don't know what I'm going to do in here yet. It's not a big room, it's a small condo. I do know I'm going to be keeping these original ceilings that were built in 1857. So this is the second bedroom. It has some decorating challenges. It's only 9 feet wide by about 12 feet long. So I'm going to have to get kind of creative. I have some ideas for a new bed, but I'm not sure if there's something I can pull off yet. One of the other big changes I'm going to make into this room, I'm going to take this closet out. So what I'm going to do is to take this closet and divide it in half and move this door over. So this part will then become part of a closet that the team can access from the hall. And the guest's closet will be much smaller, but what you can't see is it goes pretty far deep. And we've gotten permission from the HOA to move any interior walls or do any type of modifications that we need to, as long as I don't touch the outside walls of this condo. This is the bathroom. It is nothing special, and I mean nothing special. It's small. I'm going to have to come up with a way to store guest towels. It has the most amazing ceiling, just like the rest of this place. And I do plan on taking out that vanity right there, and the mirror, and that funky medicine cabinet, and we'll be building some type of a feature wall. Okay, I'm trying to get this done before it gets too dark for you guys to be able to see in here. There's a lot of burnt out light bulbs. Again, keep in mind, when you buy a place like this, or at least in this town, the vacation rentals come furnished. And this one, while it has great bones, it's going to be beautiful when I'm done. What I got, the condition I got it in leaves a lot to be desired, but that's perfect because there's no guilt in having to rip up stuff that's just obsolete, broken, or in really bad condition. So this whole kitchen goes. We're going to put in all new cabinetry, new appliances. I've got a trash compactor here, which I'm not sure if you can see, but it doesn't work. Everything goes out. We'll keep the same footprint in the kitchen. What I will do that's different is I'm going to be bringing in a range hood, like an island hood that will suspend from the ceiling over the stove, and I'm going to open all this up, which you'll see in a moment that it's open to the dining room. My cabinets will only go part of the way through the kitchen, and I'll actually have a microwave built in here with a small cabinet above it. I'll be using 42-inch cabinets in this house, which go almost up to the exposed pipes. Yes, we'll be putting in new lighting. And then this will be open, and there will be no cabinetry on this side. I'll be putting in thick, chunky, exposed shelving in the kitchen all the way up on this side. So that will open up the entertaining area a lot into the eating area and the bar. The other really cool thing that I will be adding on this kitchen wall all the way through the dining space is a brick wall. So I will be adding a brick feature wall, and it will be a German schmear, much like the German schmear video I did. So take a look at that one, except that I'll be using real brick pieces, and I will be adding in a whole wall of real brick and grouting it and adding in the German schmear technique on top, just to bring back the loft and the warehouse look that this house is perfect for. Okay, so I can see something really cool in this area. This will be gone because this will be what is going to go away when we put in the island vent hood over the stove, and then it won't block the kitchen area. I couldn't change the footprint. Initially, I thought I would pull out the entire kitchen and lay it all across this back wall, but it didn't give me enough room for eating, and I didn't want to take away any of the living room space because this condo is tiny. It's only 850 square feet. So I think with a few cool bar chairs, this opened up, this room and this area will be really nice. Okay friends, so please excuse the bad lighting and the wonky photos, but I really wanted to get this video done and it was a last minute idea. What I should be doing right now is packing up the kitchen and dismantling this apartment because tomorrow the deconstruction begins. As always guys, thanks for watching. If you like my work, please remember subscribe to my YouTube channel at H2O Bungalow and subscribe to my blog at h2obungalow.com. You'll find lots of ideas on home improvement and home decor that are fun, doable in a variety of settings, both in Florida at our home and at the North House Lodge, our boutique vacation rental properties in Vermont.